Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from the methods applications of derivatives. Okay. So here I took the question: two men P and Q start with velocity u at the same time from the junction of two roads, inclined at 45 degrees. So if you take this is 45 degrees. These are the two roads which are inclined at 45 degrees to each other. If they travel by different roads, find the rate at which they are being separated. Here they start at both, right? So P, Q, R. If I took the triangle PQR, sorry, let us take ABC, because here PQR men are given, so we'll get confused. So A, B, C is the triangle here I took with velocity U at the same time from the junction. Means both started at A, okay, at the same time with velocity U. Okay, what is actually U? U equals to rate of change of displacement. No, here U is velocity, where U is equals to velocity, right? So now let velocity is nothing but rate of change of displacement. No, so from A to B, from A to C, right? One is from A to B, one is from A to C is going. So let us consider P is going by AB road, Q is going by AC, right? Both going with same velocity at the same time from the junction. From here they started. Okay, so now let AB equals to AC equals to X, because both are going in the same velocity. Okay, so same velocity, and this will be X, this will be X, and I took okay, okay, and BC equals to Y. Okay, let us take like this. So now let us apply cosine rule. What is the cosine rule? A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A degrees. This is the cosine rule for the triangle. Understood? So here A square, this is opposite, this is A, and this opposite B, this is opposite of C, so this is C. So what we have the values for them? A square is Y square equals to B square is X square plus C square is X square minus 2X into X cos 45 degree, right? So Y square equals to 2x square minus 2x square into cos 45 is 1 by root 2, which is equals to 2x square minus root 2 into root 2 times. So root 2 x square. Therefore, y square equals to x square common 2 minus root 2 we got, right? If we applying square root both sides, what we get? Root y square equals to root of x square into 2 minus root 2. right? Okay, now square root cancel, y equal to, and here square root cancel, so x, for this the root remains, root 2 minus root 2, right? Now differentiating both sides, with respect to t, because here x is nothing but u, which is velocity, but velocity is rate of change of displacement based on time, with respect to time. So what we get, dy by dt equals to d by dt of x root 2 minus root 2 implies dy by dt equals to d by dt of x 2 minus root 2 into dx by dt, right? Here what we took, it is x, no? Let us take is s here, but here x is the velocity, right? So in that way, if you take where dx by dt equals to u, therefore dy by dt equals to u 2 minus root 2. Wait. Dy by dt equals to u into root 2 minus root 2. Okay. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.